Well, hello everyone. Thanks for joining my channel where I'm all about promoting a healthy lifestyle, both mind, body, and spirit. And today I'm preparing roasted garlic in the air fryer. And then after the garlic is all good and roasted, I'm going to spread it on some avocado toast. So stay tuned to the end and taste this good roasted garlic avocado toast with me. All right? Here's how I prepared the roasted garlic. Most air fryers recommend preheating the air fryer before using it, so I'm preheating my air fryer on 400 degrees for 3 minutes. I'm cutting off about a ½ inch or so from the garlic bulbs, cutting from the stem side of the bulb. Pour some extra virgin olive oil over the bulbs, getting down into the little grooves too of the bulbs. Garlic is very good for our bodies. Some of the benefits is that it's good for cardiac health. It improves brain functioning. It improves digestion, balances blood sugar. Those are some of the things that garlic is good, so very good for us. Just rub that olive oil around, let it get into the middle parts. I like to spread a little olive oil around the sides of the garlic bulb as well, just so that they're not as dry. Wrap it in some foil, close it up real good, and make sure that they are sitting flat. The garlic bulbs are sitting flat. I'm starting out with the temperature of 400 degrees for 45 minutes. And then I'll check it after 45 minutes to see how it looks. Okay, it's been 45 minutes, so let's just take a look at it and see if it's done. Okay, it's pretty soft. I think maybe I can let it go for another 5 minutes or so to get it really good and roasted. Okay, it's been another 5 minutes, so a total of 50 minutes for these 2 garlic bulbs. And these were a nice size bulbs. They were pretty large. So it depends on how large your garlic bulbs are as to how long you may want to roast them. But just, you can start out with a small amount of time and then check them and then put them back in and just keep increasing the time. But these were a total of 50 minutes. And see, they are a nice size. So they are good and soft, so I'm going to let them cool off before I squeeze all this good roasted pulp out of the shells. Okay, I didn't have my camera situated right so that you can see how I'm squeezing it, but I'm just squeezing the bulb from the bottom, from the base of it, and just, squeezing it, and that is just pushing those good garlic cloves right out. They're good, they're soft, they're roasted, so they just squeeze right out. But yeah, you're just pushing from the bottom, from the base of the garlic bulb. This roasted garlic smells so good. Be sure to pick out all the little dried leaves that falls from the outer portion of the bulb. And there you have it, good roasted garlic. Just wanted to show you how I was pushing from the bottom part of the garlic bulb, just so you know how to squeeze all that goodness out. Now mash all this goodness up to get it to a more creamy consistency. Okay, as I said at the beginning of the video, we're going to try this good roasted garlic on some avocado toast. So while my toast is in the toaster, I'm going to get the avocado ready. Just take it out of the shell and mash it up, get it ready for the toast. Avocados are very healthy also. It's a very good, healthy fat. And some of the nutritional benefits of avocados they are a good source of vitamin E and folate. They may help lower your blood pressure. They may help to manage cholesterol. And it also increases your feeling of fullness. That way you're not eating as much or as often when you eat the avocado. And it also helps to keep your eyes healthy. And this is from the eatingwell.com website. Now let's spread this goodness, this toast with this good roasted garlic. So very good. You can use your fork or spoon or whatever to mash up the garlic really good to make it more creamy. I didn't really mash it up or creamify it like I should, but yeah, you can just stir it and make it more creamy, and it'll spread on the toast really good and smooth. So now I'm going to grab some of my Everything Bagel seasoning, and also I'm going to add some pumpkin seeds. They're sprouted pumpkin seeds. Again, pumpkin seeds are very nutritious. So here's my Everything Bagel seasoning, and it adds really good flavor. Just add as much as you want on it. And these are the organic sprouted pumpkin seeds. Again, pumpkin seeds, very nutritious, and especially if they're sprouted, that adds even greater value and nutrition to the pumpkin seeds. Some of the health benefits of pumpkin seeds: they're rich in magnesium, they contain healthy fats and fiber, they may reduce breast cancer risk, promotes heart health, provides antioxidants, and supports healthy sleep. So, all goodness. So look at this good roasted garlic, avocado, sprouted pumpkin seed toast. So very good. Okay, best part. Time to taste this goodness. The roasted garlic, avocado, pumpkin seeds, Everything Bagel seasoning. Wow. Dynamite. So very good. I can taste the roasted garlic along with the avocado, and then the pumpkin seeds give it a little crunch. Oh, so good. And you can add this roasted garlic to, just about anything. Mashed potatoes, vegetables, whatever you want to add it to. It's so good. And putting it in the air fryer, if you have an air fryer, is good, especially in the summertime when you don't want to turn on your oven. But if you don't have an air fryer, roast it in the oven. You know, wrap it in foil, put it the same thing, roast it in the oven, and it's still just as good. So delicious. You know what I'm always saying? 3 John 1 and 2. Beloved, I wish above all things that thou shalt prosper and be in health, even as your very soul prospers. That's what we want. So let's make it healthy whenever we can. These bodies need help. So here's to healthy eating. All right. God bless. If you haven't liked or subscribed to my channel, please do so. I would really appreciate it. And I'll be bringing some more good and healthy dishes in the future. So thank you for joining. Bye now.